Here they are.
Our Ginoo at Binibining Komando 2010. A round of applause, please.
So, listen up. Before we move on to the announcement of the winners of our special awards, it is my privilege to call in our president of the OADG Divas and inspirational message. Yes. Let's all welcome here on stage, Ms. Annabelle Guerra. Na ating mga Ginoo at Binibining Komando. Hindi na ako mapahaba, kasi alam ko na gusto niyo na kung malaman yung mga resulta.
Invite mo dyan.
Just let me, allow me to take this opportunity just to name the sponsors lang po. At syempre yung mga magulang po na nandito. Tama po yung sinasabi ni Mayor OEG kanina na you have to trust us with your children kasi we didn't do anything na makasama ko sa mga anak ninyo. And ako po, bilang isang produkto rin po ng OADG at ng Binibining Komando, I gain confidence and privilege din po ako na makasama dito at matulungan dito yung mga kapwa-kapwa ninyo. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ms. Annabelle Guerra, our Binibining Komando 2008.
Okay, so now, yun na po ang pinakahintay na lahat kung saan magkakaroon po tayo ng announcement
of special awards.
Yes, mga nanalo. We have the best in talent and also the best in swimwear for the Binibinis and Ginoo.
So guys, are you ready?
Ay na,
Kung sino ang
na
best in talent at best in swimwear sa Ginoo at Binibining Komando?
Yes, who do you think will win? That is the best in talent. Okay. Ito po ang mga namin ni Lord, ang may swita. Para sa ating best in talent. Unahin po muna natin sabihin sa kanila ang best in talent sa ating mga Ginoo.
Ginoo. And our best in talent for Ginoo is candidate number
Candidate number 7.
Congratulations, Ginoo, candidate number 7. Our best in talent.
Mr. Jose Limon Rodriguez. Okay. Yung awarding ceremony takes the coronation night na. Ayan. Okay.
And for our BB,
For our BB, best in talent.
BB candidate number
Next to the director of
BB candidate number 7. in swimwear.
Best in swimwear. The sexiest. Ready. Okay, for the Ginoo.
It's Ginoo candidate number for best in swimwear. It's Ginoo candidate number.
Candidate number 2. Okay, now for the ladies. Sino sa tingin niyo? Ang mga
For best in swimwear, it's candidate number.
candidate number.
It's candidate number 6.
Miss Risha
Candidate number 6.
Congratulations to our winners. You all deserve it. Winners of our special awards. Yes, there you have it, ladies and
Our best
gentlemen.
in talent and best in swimwear. Our best in swimwear is candidate number 2, Ginoo, and BB candidate number 7. For best in talent is Ginoo candidate number 7 and BB candidate number 7.
They'll be receiving their awards on Coronation Night. That will be on May 19. Yes, it will be held on Nasa Magsaysay. Yes, please be there.
Ayan, and Ginoo ang ibinigay ko 2010 with recognize the following sponsors.
Yes, thank you very much, Office of the Municipal Mayor.
Comando Municipal Tourism Council.
Comando Youth Development Guild.
In cooperation with Pambayang Produksyon ng Sangguniang Kabataan,
And Comando Foundation Incorporated.
Evan Vilena,
Private